Okay.
Alright, what's up, y'all? AJ checking in. Listen, I just wanted to come up here and tell the word about my son because I'm proud. So, he made me proud. I don't know what made them do this. And actually, they've really been doing this since we was in Florida or years ago, him and his sister. But today, he decided he wanted to get out here and get some money. So, for whatever reason, they just got up and decided to get out here and go sell toys. He wanted to sell his old toys and just stand in front of the house and try to sell toys, right? So he had his sister out there, he had his little cousin out there, and they didn't really want to do it for real. They was out there with him for a little bit, they didn't really want to do it though. So I decided to, well, I ain't gonna say I decided, I ain't had nothing to do with it actually. I let them do their thing. So then when they quit on him, I heard him come back outside because I was sitting on the porch chilling, and then he came outside and he said, "Alright, fine, I guess I gotta do this the hard way." Ain't that what you said? I heard you when you said you talked to yourself. And so tell him what happened, son. Tell me, let's talk about it. What you got going on?
So what happened was I started off with my little cousin King and my sister Amaya. King is 5 years old, my sister is 9, and I'm 7. When I was working with them, but they quit. So it started off a little bad. It took a long time for me to get some money, but first I got $5 and then I got one more for $6, and yeah, that's what I did.
How did you get the money?
I hustled. It was really hard. I was tired.
What was you selling?
I was selling toys, but actually the people didn't want to get toys. They gave me free money.
They did. Why you think they gave you the money even though they didn't take the toy?
Because the two people that stopped, they said they didn't want a toy. They just went and gave me the money.
They just wanted to look out for you. They wanted to help you because they liked the way you were hustling. That's what's up. Now, remember you was almost ready to quit. You remember that? What did I tell you? Let's talk about what I told you.
He told me that my dad is a businessman and...
Forget me. What did I tell you about today as far as hustling and stuff?
He told me that when people quit on you, maybe sometimes you just gotta work by yourself even though it's really hard.
Exactly. Sometimes you gotta do that. Sometimes you just gotta do it by yourself. And then, remember when I saw you getting tired and I told you can stop right now and you can come back tomorrow. Remember that? And then what did you tell me?
I said, no, I want to work until the end of the day.
Right. And I told you now you see why I don't ever want to leave the office. Right? And then you kept working. I told you you could stop, but you kept working. And so then what happened? Right after that, when you said you want to work to the end of the day, then what happened?
I got money.
Good job. Good job. Give me some. Good job. So you made $6. Did you even give up any toys?
No.
Good job. See? You see what happened? When you put out good energy, and good energy come back to you. So that's all I wanted you to share with the people. You got anything else to say? And look, I also told them too, for my CBN subscribers, I see y'all checking in. Shout out Sean Richard, shout out Mr. Cole, shout out J King, shout out my mama checking in, the greatest of all time, the GOAT. Shout out Roland Rod, everybody, Eric Lewis from the yard, I appreciate you. Charlie Velez from the CBN, I see you checking in. But anyway, I want to say this, same thing I tell y'all, there's a numbers game. I told them that. I told if you don't get nothing today, keep going, you go try again tomorrow. Maybe you get some tomorrow. If you don't get nothing tomorrow, guess what? You're going to try again the day after that. At some point, somebody going to give you something, right? And that's what you did, right? Good job. I'm proud of you. You got anything else to say before we end it?
Well, yeah. What I did out there, if any of them have kids, they can do that too.
They can hustle too. Alright, that's it. Good job. Thank you.